Hey everyone, welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into one of the best teeth whitening solutions on the market, the Crest 3D White Advanced Teeth Whitening Toothpaste. If you've been looking to brighten your smile, this might just be the product for you. Now, when it comes to teeth whitening, effectiveness and ease of use are key. Crest 3D White Advanced Toothpaste promises not only to remove surface stains but to do so effectively and quickly. Let's talk about what makes this toothpaste stand out. It's infused with Crest's 3D technology, which promises 2x faster whitening compared to regular toothpaste. Whether it's coffee stains or everyday discoloration, this toothpaste claims to tackle them all. The benefits? Well, besides a visibly whiter smile, users report a refreshing mint flavor that leaves your mouth feeling clean and your breath fresh. Plus, it's formulated to be safe for daily use, making it a convenient addition to your oral care routine. For optimal results, use it twice daily like any regular toothpaste. A pea-sized amount is all you need for each brushing session, ensuring you maximize its whitening power without excessive abrasiveness. So, if you're ready to take your smile to the next level, consider adding Crest 3D White Advanced Toothpaste to your cart. Check out the link in the description for more details and to make your purchase today. That's all for today's review on Product Critique. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more honest reviews and product insights. Until next time, keep smiling bright.